Hello everyone. Are you wondering what bineutral means? Let's explore. Bineutral describes someone who identifies with two neutral or non-gendered identities. Unlike bigender, which often involves identification with two genders, bineutral is focused on identities that are neither male nor female, but instead are neutral or non-gendered. Bineutral individuals might feel connected to two distinct neutral genders, experiencing both as part of their identity. This term offers a way to describe a gender experience that is centered on neutrality or absence of gender, while still recognizing the complexity of having more than one gender identity. In essence, being bineutral is about identifying with two neutral or non-gendered identities, embracing a duality that exists outside traditional gender categories. Please like the video and leave a comment to support my job. Thank you for watching and see you later. Goodbye.